Hey, welcome to Banjo Barbecue. Banjo here, your host. Today, we're going to do a couple pork butts, maybe two or three or four. And today, I'm going to show you a little something we're going to do different. We're going to be cooking on a PVC. That's right, folks, a pit barrel cooker. And we're going to see how it cooks out according to like a pellet grill or a Weber Smoky Mountain, stuff like that. So y'all stick around, stay tuned, and y'all keep it watching. Hey, welcome to Banjo Barbecue. Banjo here, your host. And today, my friends, we are going to be doing some chicken. We're going to be doing some grilled chicken, matter of fact. And I've got a special surprise for each and every one of you. So Banjo's got a little surprise for you. And stick around, y'all find out.
Hey, welcome to Banjo Barbecue. Today we'll be cooking some chicken on the pit barrel cooker.
Awesome, guys. Ready to go.
Welcome back, folks. We got our chicken out and ready to season. But first, we got to get the pit barrel cooker up to temp. Back, folks, we're going to be seasoning it up. First with a binder, some olive oil. And then we're going to be seasoning it with some Jody's Asian Persuasion, one of my favorites from Red Tech.
We're going to finish seasoning these up and we'll get right back with you.
Okay, we got them all seasoned up. Now they're ready to go on the pit barrel cooker.
Welcome to Banjo Barbecue. I told you we had a little surprise, and you're starting to see a little bit of it. But the next surprise is we're going to hit a little with a Cajun two-step on one of these. So I can just check and see how good this Cajun two-step is. That's money, dude. I'm going to put this on a cracker and smoke it. All right, we are back. We're going to throw these chickens on here. These here are the two with the Cajun two-step. We're excited about them. We're gonna put them on there smoking. We're gonna smoke this thing, dude. you guys haven't heard of the stale cracker, you got to go check him out. He's phenomenal. Great guy over in Louisiana. Kind of tight going in here with this chicken. We'll work it around. We'll get it worked around here. It'll be a little bit tight, but I think we can work with it. Oh yeah. There we go. We're in the pit barrel cooker today, and we are ready to rock and roll. And we'll bring you guys back when it's time to spreads. Right, we are back. Time to open this up and start the spreads. We're spritzing with a little bit of apple juice, apple cider vinegar, and pineapple juice. I'll double check these here when we get back, and we'll let you know how it goes.
Welcome back, folks. It's the moment we've all been waiting for. Taste testing.
All right, check this out, guys. Look at this chicken
Yum, yum.
on the pit barrel cooker. We're gonna cut us up a piece, and we're gonna try a little taste test. Y'all stick around. Be right back with you.
Okay, we're back. We're cutting the chicken, and we're gonna taste test it for y'all. Tell you how it is.
All right.
Yum,
now
yum.
this one here, this is the Cajun from the two-step
Huh?
from put that on a cracker dude. What's his name?
Stale cracker.
Stale cracker. Well, it just falls right off the bone. Look at that. This
Yeah,
is money,
clean
dude.
bone.
Okay, we're gonna slice this up a couple pieces of this. We don't want that bone in there.
Blah, blah, blah.
Slice this up a couple of slices here.
Blah.
Righty?
Yes, sir. That's your piece to try.
Try that one.
Right now? Yes. Okay.
Levi?
Thank you. Hot. Mmm. Hot but good. Mmm.
What's your boy think?
Mmm. The best chicken I ever had.
Good chicken?
Mm-hmm.
That was good?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Okay, let's try one without the two-step. We just had, what was that season we had on there?
Asian persuasion from
The Asian Persuasion from Rick Tech.
Stop.
Look at that. It's so juicy. Look at that. It just falls right off the bone, folks. I can just rake it right off the bone. Check it out. Don't even have to cut it. Just rake it. Look at that.
Wow.
Falls right off the bone. Look how juicy that is. This is a pitmaster privilege. Oh boy. Mmm. Oh. Mm-hmm. There you go.
Thank you.
There you go, Levi. Careful, it's hot.
Yes, sir. Mmm. Mmm. This one's really moist.
Mm-hmm.
The two-step was kind of dry. This one's really moist. Mm-hmm. I prefer the dry one better than the moist one, but they're both good.
Personally, I like the two-step. There's absolutely nothing dry about it. I think he's talking about just the rub. The rub got a little hot. You see, it got a little hot, and it did char faster than the others. But the chicken itself
It's really good.
is The rub just burned. I think it might have some sugar or something in it. There's nothing dry about that. It's two-step.
Oh, my mom. Oh, yeah.
Try it with the rub.
Yeah.
Try that with the rub on it. That's two-step rub.
My ball helped up.
What?
That's what I was talking about.
Good?
Can I taste the rub?
You can. You get your piece of chicken to go with it.
Wow. That just fell off.
There you go. Wow. What do you think, boys?
It's amazing.
Pit barrel for the win?
Uh-huh.
All right. Y'all got any shout outs out there for T. Roy Cooks or Amom and Clamom Smokers or anything? Or that Cajun two-step steel cracker? Y'all got some shout outs? Levi, come around here and give some shout outs. Definitely want to give a shout out to
Red Tech.
Cuff and Stuff. A new subscriber to mine, Cuff and Stuff. He had a couple really good ideas, especially with the pit barrel cooker, and I told him I was going to try some. So Cuff and Stuff, thank you for the idea.